Okay. Good evening, students. I hope you had a nice coffee break. After the coffee break, your sleeping has been postponed for just 1 hour. So now you are all ready for the program. So today our class is about the basics of options. You have already studied about the options, maybe in derivatives management. So even today's our practical class is about the option only. As per our syllabus, in the last unit we are having this exercise is based upon the last unit in our syllabus. So maybe this will be the last one in practicals. The next practical, the Monte Carlo simulation, we will have once you return back. So as already planned, after completion of today's class, next week we will have the online examination for these practicals, all the 10 practicals. So go home, enjoy the food, take nice rest, take care of your health, and be ready for the online test possibly next week. I will announce the time and date. So be ready for that one. Okay. So before going deep, let us see the today's headlines about our topic. You have already studied the options theory. So in Dalal Street Investment Journal, just 20th March, there was one interesting news that is targeting theta in your option trading. You know about the Dalal Street? Anybody where Dalal Street is located?
Mumbai, sir.
Mumbai, yes. What is the main building in Dalal Street?
BSc, sir.
BSc. Oh, nice, good. Uh, Jujunwala Towers, the big towers you can see in the center place of Mumbai. So there, the Dalal Street Investment Journal is coming, and as per this Dalal Street Investment Journal, they mentioned that theta in your options trading, you have to target the theta. Theta is indirectly the time value of money. That is why they quote the time is money. And they used to quote some of the Greek terms for this purpose, especially in case of alpha, beta, theta, gamma, all those things. Okay. So they are mentioning that now, even in option trading, they are thinking about the time value of the money. That is what they used to mention in this journal. When you go deep into the journal, they clearly mention some of the commercial jargon terms used in case of measuring the theta. See that one? This is they used to mention that time value of an option is the difference between its premium and the value. Intrinsic value means the book value calculated based upon the fundamental concepts. And what they are mentioning in the news that if you are going for the new strategy in option trading, the theta value is very important. That is, the time value is very important in that one because nowadays you know about the Mumbai situation. Already 2 days lockdown is going on there. So in this pandemic situation, and they mentioned that even in capital markets, we have to identify the time value of money, and the planning for option trading should be based on time rather than any other methods. That's what they mentioned. That is, they mentioned that OTM, that is out of the money, ATM at the money, how to gain that one. So that is the interesting news. Based upon that, we are moving towards the concept, main concept and practical today. Today's class, we are having the nice template I already shared with you. And before going to the template, you must know this thing. Let us recall what is the meaning of call options, put options, so that you can easily understand the template. Call option is the right given for buying. Be clear. Usually, if the investors prefer, the price are increasing, used to buy. That is the call option. It is an obligation to buy the underlying security. That is, it gives the buyers the right, but not the obligation to buy. That is the concept of call option. We will see the example. Say, for example, we are going to buy the stock after April 30. It is a call option. It gives the right to buy, but not the option to buy. Be clear. Put option is the reverse that one. What it means that a put option gives the buyer the right to sell. Simple thing. In call option, it gives the buyer right to buy, whereas in put option, it is the right to sell. That is why I given the example that sell the stock after April 30th. That comes under the put option. Okay. But it is not giving the obligation to sell the underlying security. That is the concept of put option. In case of strategy of the option trading, the call option is used when there is a price when the price is going on in upward trend. That is simply if the price is increasing, we will go for the call option. When the price tends to decrease, we will go for the put option. That is the major difference you must know in the strategy. As an analytics students, when you are doing the analytics with regarding to this option, you must know when we will use. If there is an upward trend, rising trend, go for call option. If there's a decreasing trend of the price, go for the put option. Simple thing. Likewise, there are some similarities. The in the strategy. In case of call option, the underlying asset price is the greater than the strike price. In put option, out of money is when the underlying asset price is above the put price. So these are some similarities. Both are above that pricing. Okay. In case of strategy also, we are having long strategy, short strategy. We have discussed some long and short. When we will call it as long call, when we will call it as long put. I have given that one. It is in reflections what you have studied in derivatives management. Long call means, usually long means buyer of the option can contract. In long call, the buying the right to buy the price. In long put means right to sell. Usually long call is used in bullish trend, whereas long put is used in the bearish trend. Just opposite to that one, the short call. When there is a bearish trend, we will go for the short call. When there is a bullish trend, we will go for the short put. That is the strategy you must know, because after completing this exercise, you have to write clearly the decision. Decision is very important. Only if you know these strategies, you are able to write the decision clearly. Okay. That is why in the options strategies, other than alpha, beta, we are using some of the Greeks. I hope you have studied these Greeks and its formula. We used to call it as delta, theta, gamma, vega, rho. These are all the Greek terms which are used along with the option strategy. So today our calculation is about all these things: delta, theta, gamma, vega, rho. We have already studied the first one, that is the alpha and beta. This entirely different thing. In last semester we have studied that one, beta, how to calculate that one. Okay. So today we are going to see all those things, remaining thing. Okay. First we will see the delta. What is the delta? Simple thing. The rate of change between one price with another price. That is the delta. Usually it is the speed. Speed is said to be the delta everywhere. Yes, usually I will use to mention our SAM example. If SAM is increasing his accelerator, he used to travel between our college and his room by 100 kilometer speed. The speed, how much he is accelerating, is the delta. Same thing here. In case of option strategy, the delta represents the change. If rupee 1 change, if there is an increase in rupee 1, what will be its effect? That is the delta. If the option price increase by 1 rupee, what will be its price? That is called the delta. Yes, Justice, you are playing nicely. Where you are? Justice?
Sir, I am in my room, sir.
Ah, but your room looks nice. Huh? It looks like I am Ahmedabad. Huh?
Thank you, sir.
Harvard steps. Hmm.
Thank you, sir.
Where is your room?
Sir, here.
Here
Near.
means tell me some name of the building.
Sir,
You are
opposite.
staying there for 2 years. You are unable
No, sir,
to.
I just came to here this time. That's it.
Where you are? Hmm? You can see your friends are shouting. Hmm.
Yes.
Hmm. Okay, okay. I understand. Some tag war between you and your friends are going on. Hmm. Okay. Let us see the meaning of theta. As I already mentioned in our news, it represents the rate of change between the option price and time. That is the time sensitivity. Time value of the money is important thing. Even though our Sam is coming from his room to college by 100 kilometer speed, how much time it takes place? 100 kilometer speed means he has to come within fraction of minutes. Is it possible? There are number of things. He has to start, then he can enter into only the ground floor of the parking. All these things are there. The time is different, speed is different. We can't measure or we can't compare time and speed in case of option pricing. But in theta, it represents the time. That is the rate of change between the price, option price, and the time. Within a day, what will happen? Tomorrow, what will happen? Within 2 days' time, what will happen? That is the theta based upon the estimation. Gamma. It is actually representing the rate of change between delta and its price. Delta and its price means I already told. Delta refers to the speed of the Sam's bike. So what is the gamma? The increasing time. Now Sam is riding by 60 kilometers, he is increasing by to I think 100 kilometers. Within how many seconds or within how many minutes he is able to increase the speed from 60 to 100 kilometers? That is gamma. Same thing here. It represents the rate of change between an delta and the asset price. That is market price. Vega. It represents the rate of change between option value and usually the implied price. We will see with the example later on. Okay. Underlying the assets, implied volatility. That is the implied price. What will happen if the price is moving in an exponential method or the price is moving very speed? That is the Vega. Rho, it represents the option value. 1% change in the interest rate, what will be the effect? If there's simply 1% change in the price of the option value, what will be its effect? That will be mentioned under the row. Okay. So these are all the Greek terms used in case of this option strategy. So you must know all those things. That is rho, vega, gamma, theta, delta. This is a simple thing you must know. The meaning is mentioned here clearly. You can recall delta, which refers to the sensitivity of the price, theta, the time, gamma, the relative value of the delta, vega, sensitivity to volatility, fluctuations, and rho, relatively compared with the interest rate. That is minimum rate of return. What you call it as cost of capital. So these are all the theoretical one. I know it is boring. Let us come to the practical. I have given this thing. If you open the Excel sheet, it will coming like that. So first see that one, then you can go for the Excel sheet opening. So I will explain the Excel sheet, what are all the components here. So the Excel sheet is actually the option Greeks. Underlying price. You have to enter the what is the current price of the instrument, current price of the stock. If you are going for the option trading with ACC price or Infosys or Wipro, what is its present price you are going to enter here first. Then excise price. It is also called as strike price. That is at the end of closing the option. Future one. If it is going for till April 30th or May 30th, what will be the price? Either you are going for call option or put option. The excise price, minimum price, you are going to use the option. That is, you have purchased the security today for 80 rupees. How much you are going to fix the price after 1 month? Then today's date, expiry date, you can enter. Historical volatility. What is the standard deviation of the price movements? Then the risk-free rate. Risk-free rate means, as you know, it is the bank rate. In case of India, bank rate is, as you see, it is less than 5%. Now it is 4.25 something percent. Then dividend yield, that is dividend ratio. How much dividend they are declaring. It is mentioned in terms of percentage. On the book value, what is the rate of dividend? Then years, that is dividend time yield. That is not necessary anyhow. Usually Dividends are declared once in 6 months. Dividend term. Dividend term tenure is 0.5 means every 6 months. If you mention 1 means every 1 year dividend will be declared. So you must know what are all the contents in this Excel sheet template. You must input what is the underlying price. You have to input what will be the strike price. Today's date usually it automatically takes. Then the expiry date you can give. That is, first is the month. Here it won't exceed 3 months in India. Then historical volatility means what is the standard deviation of the price for last 1 month. Dividend yield, how much the dividend, what is the percentage they are going to give as the dividend. Risk-free rate means the cost of capital or the bank rate. Okay. Then dividend tenure period, usually it will be 1 year or 6 months. Some cases, every 6 months they are declaring the dividend. After the 6 months, they may declare interim dividend. At the end of the year, they may declare the full dividend. In such case, 0.50. If they are declaring dividend once in a year, it is 1. So be clear. That is the method of input you have to give. Once you enter all these details, it will give clearly the information about the what will be the call option price and what will be the put option price. Okay. That is the advantage. So be clear. In this Excel sheet, you have to enter only this thing. Today's date, it automatically takes, so don't worry. Based upon your system, if it is connected properly, it will take the thing. Only it will consider the date mentioned in the system. That is how the template has been designed. So based upon that, what is the decision you have to take? That is very important thing. You have to write that one. It is very important. The template, I have not given the decision. You have to write. That is what I am going to see now. Okay. Based upon the delta. You can see first example, the output theoretical price. It gives call option 25.96, put option 0.001, because here the exercise price is less than the underlying price. So put option price are very less. Theoretical price means the conceptual price, what is defined by the given example. Then only delta. You can see for call option, it is 0.99, whereas put option, it is minus 0.021. So what will be the decision? You can see the decision making first with regarding to the call option, how we have to write if the market price increase by 1 rupee. Be clear, delta represents the money value, not the time value. Theta only represents the time value. We are seeing the price in delta. So how you have to write the interpretation for delta? If the market price increase by rupee 1, that is the speed of acceleration, increase by rupee 1, call option price will increase by 0.99, because you can see the output table in delta under call option, it is coming to 0.99. That means that if the market price increase by rupee 1, the call option will increase by only 0.99. Whereas coming to the put option, the results shows that minus 0.021. That means if the market price increase by 1 rupee, the put option price will decrease because it is given as minus 0.021. That means if the market price increase by rupee, put option price will decrease by 0.021. Be clear. Why I am saying that it is decreasing? Because our result comes minus 0.021. Since it comes in minus, we are declaring that if the market price increase by rupee 1, the put option price will decrease by 0.021. That is how you have to write the decision. That is very important thing of delta. Once you calculate the delta, you have to write clearly. Delta represents the value. If there's change of 1 rupee in increase, what will be the effect? That is the simple delta. Usually Sam comes to college by 60 kilometers. Suddenly he is coming by 100 kilometers. So what will be the speed? That is the delta. Same thing here. If the market price increase by rupee, what will happen? In the same manner, theta, you can see the output shows that theta is in that minus 0.075 and minus 0.02. How to write the conclusion? The call option price will decrease by rupees 0.075 within 6 months time because we have given 6 months time. You can see today's date and expiry date. Today's date is 4th month and the expiry date is 10th month. First is month, then day, then year. So there's a difference of 6 months. The time period is 6 months or the n value is 6 months. That is why in case of theta value, how we are going to write? Here, the call option price will decrease. Why I am mentioning decrease? Because it shows minus 0.075. Since it is in minus, we are writing that call option price will decrease by 0.075 within 6 months time, or it will decrease by 0.75% within 6 months time. Likewise, put option is also in minus. So we have to write the put option price will decrease because it is in minus. So will decrease by 0.02 within 6 months of time because the theta value represents the time value of money. Okay, so be clear. Yes, Ranita, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Oh, good, good. Nitya? No, Nitya. Hussein? He went to sleeping. Good. Okay. Likewise, coming to the gamma. Gamma result, you can see the output table 0.006 plus. So in case of gamma, we will take only one decision now, call and put. If the option price increase by rupee 1 in 6 months, the delta will increase by 0.0006. See that one, it will measure the accelerating effect. Our SAM is increasing. He is running by 60 kilometers, but he is going for 100 kilometers. How many seconds or minutes it takes from 60 to 100 when he is giving the accelerator? That is the thing. That is, if the option price increase by rupee 1 in 6 months time, the delta will increase by 0.006 or 0.06%. Same thing in case of Viga. If the price increase by rupee 1, the option value, be clear, increase by 0.037. Rho, here it will be different. For call option, if the risk-free rate increase by 1%, the option value increase by 26%. Because in row, we are comparing cost of capital, that is risk-free return, or in case of India, it is bank rate. Be clear. Bank rate we are comparing. That is why when you are writing the row decision, you have to write clear. If the risk-free rate or if the bank rate in India increase by 1%, the option value will increase by 26%. It is also in plus. Same thing in case of put option. If the risk-free rate increase by 1%, the option value decrease by 0.09 because it is in minus. So you can take a screenshot of this thing because otherwise you won't write. I won't tell once again. So you can take a nice screenshot of this thing. What is the addition on delta? Because we are going for practical class. That is, you have to open your Excel sheet. Before that, you can take some pictures. How to write the decision. This is a decision on delta. Take a pic. Amar, there you have taken a pic. Take a pic of decision on delta. Sneha.
Yes, sir.
Okay, ma. Take a pic on decision on theta. Junaid.
Yes, sir, I've taken, sir.
Okay, good. Now you can take a pic of decision on gamma because you have write the decision. If the option price increase by rupee 1 in 6 months, the delta will increase by 0.06%. They take a pic of decision on gamma. Yes, then we go. Hussein, what went wrong? Where you went? Yes, this is the addition on. We got take a screenshot. Finally, the addition on row. Salim, Salim, Salim. See, it's not responding. Georgine.
Yes, sir.
Good. Have you taken the pic
Yes, sir.
of all those things? Okay, good. Now I am closing the sharing. Yes. Now go to your Excel sheet. open the Excel sheet. Yes. Everybody open the Excel sheet what I have sent to you. Yes, have you opened?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Shruti is there. Niveen? Niveen? I am unable to hear your sound.
Sir,
Okay.
can you hear me, sir?
Okay. Whether you have opened the Excel sheet in your laptop?
Yes, yes, sir, open, sir.
Okay. Mijun Sebi,
Yes, sir.
I opened that one,
Yes, sir.
downloaded.
Yes, sir. Open.
You can enable the content. Once if you enable the content, it automatically shows today's date. Check whether it is showing today's date. Okay. If it is not showing today's date, it means that you have to change the date in your system, not in the template. Okay. Just as what is the date it is appearing in your Excel sheet? Just as I think he left. We lost somebody. Karthik. Karthik.
Yes, sir.
Have you opened this one? What is the date coming in your
Yes, sir.
Excel sheet? What? Karthik, no answer.
Today's date, sir.
Today's
Today's date,
date.
sir.
Okay, good.
Yes, sir.
Abhijit?
Yeah, sir.
Yes, what is the date appearing there in your Excel sheet? Enable the content and tell me. It should be 4/10/2021 and 6 months date we are given. It should be next date. 6 months. That is 10/9/2021. Whether it is appearing like that?
Sir, it's appearing, sir.
Appearing, okay. Yes. Now you can come to the, see the Excel sheet. You can find out any price. Yesterday you are having 3 company, I think 5 company price. So you can fix the price. Whatever the price applicable, today's price, you can visit the BSC. What is the price today? You need not go any other thing. Visit the BSC website. Let us assume that I'm entering today's Wipro or Reliance price is 521. I am going to excise that one, or if it is 500. Okay. Historic volatility, I am changing because due to this pandemic, volatility is 20% now. That is what BSE is saying, but I don't know exactly. We know how to calculate the volatility, that is the standard deviation. We have studied in previous semester. Anyhow, here I assume that 20%. Risk-free rate, now it is only 4.25%. dividend yield, Reliance is giving around now I think they mentioned as 18%. So I'm making as 18%. Then next one, DTE 0.5. I'm not changing. That is dividend tenure period. Dividend tenure is 0.50. That means assume that every 6 months the Reliance is giving the dividend. Okay. Now once you enter, the results are coming here. See that one, the results, the theoretical price is 21.074 for call option. Put option it is 34.3144. Immediately delta, the 0.5 and minus, sorry, 0.45 and minus 0.54. Gamma, both will be same. You be clear. The 0.054. Theta opposite to delta. Both are in minus. Vega, there will be only one result, 1.4565. Rho, you can see call option, it will be 0.96, whereas put option, it is in minus. That means negative trend. Okay. So what you have to do, you have to write decision here. Theoretical price, you can't write the decision. Okay. Yes. You can write the decision anywhere. Must request to enter. You can copy the prices. Yes. In the next sheet, because it is protected one, so I am writing decision in the next sheet. I'm renaming for decision. Okay. For each and everything other than delta, you have to write the decision. We have already discussed. Can start writing here. You know here the delta value for call option and put option. Okay, this is for call option. This is for put option. You have taken already the screenshot. Based upon that, you have to write the delta. In case of delta, you can see the decision. What will be the decision you will write? If the market price increase by rupee 1, what will be the effect? The call option will increase by, can write the decision correctly. So how to write for delta? Okay. Yes. I've written that one, you can check. If the market price increase by 1, the call option price will increase by 0.450. 0.45. That's all. That is regarding the call option. Coming here, put option decision. case of put option decision, if the market price increase by same thing, it will decrease by 0.549. Okay, the put option will decrease. That is why decrease by 0.549. Okay, this is the how you have to write the decision. These columns are for call option. This decision is for put option. Likewise, write for remaining thing. Refer your screenshot and write clearly. Okay? Based upon this thing. This is the calculation. You can copy that one, paste it here. Then you have to write the decision one by one. Okay? Yes. Now you can start. Yasin,
Yes, sir.
whether you are done calculation.
Doing it, sir.
Okay. Balaji. Renita.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You have completed calculation.
Sir, I'm doing so.
Okay, ma. Yaneshwari,
Yes, sir.
you have completed.
Sir, writing decision, sir.
Okay, good. Sneha,
Yes, sir.
completed.
Sir, writing decision.
Okay, ma, good. So on your camera, I have to see your face. Only Georgian face I am able to see. Huh? What about others? Georgian is there. Okay, good. Sai Pranita, where are you? Sai Pranita? Oh, she's not there. Okay, absent. Subhashri, absent. Amar? Yes, I am able to see. You can unmute your microphone, Pa.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
All of
Hussein
you.
is there, sir.
Hussein, I won't give attendance for Hussein because
Yes, sir, I'm here, sir.
you slept well, Hussein. Without
Yes, sir.
you are not
He
given
was
biryani
sleeping, sir.
to anybody. You are taken yourself. Andrita.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Jacob Subhash is not there. Jisman. What went wrong? Jisman is not there. Okay, Justice. He used to play with his friends. No. Justice, tell something. Hussein, absent.
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay, good. Niveen.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Praneeth. What went wrong with Praneeth? Ranita.
Yes, sir.
Okay, ma, good. You have to smile everyone. Salim? Not there.
Yes, sir.
Oh, you are there. Yes. Sam?
Yes, sir.
Don't shut down. I have to, at the end, I have to see all of your smiling face as an MBA graduate. Sneha? Usually
Present,
Sneha
sir.
will be there. Yes, you are there. Madhumita? What happened? She's not there. Jnaneshwari?
Present, sir.
Okay, you are there. Chetan? What went wrong? Chetan usually comes on time. Junad?
Yes, sir. I'm there.
Good. Vaishnavi? She's not coming. Kirtana P? She's not there. Spandana? You are not responding. Nitya? Absent. Jyotika?
Present, sir.
Very good. You are there. Yasin?
Yes, sir.
Good. Shukrut?
Present, sir.
Oh, you are there.
Yes, sir. I am there, sir.
Okay. Karthik, you? Not there. Karthik? Lakshmi?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Did not call my name, sir.
Who, Ma?
Please, sir. Shruti.
Shruti, I called twice.
No,
Okay. Robin?
Yes, sir.
Pooja? Pooja is not there. Balaji?
Yes, sir.
Please,
Present.
you are there, but you are not submitting anything. Sweta?
Yes, sir.
Kirtana M? Not there. Durga Prasad? What happened? Leena? Abhijit? Irfan?
Yes, sir.
Abhijit is there.
Abhijit.
Yes. Irfan?
Yes, sir.
Midun Sebi.
Yes, sir.
Now you can smile your face. I am going to take the
Hello, sir.
video.
Karthik H, sir. Present.
Why you have to smile? Amar is only smiling nicely. What about others? Yes, now just started smiling. Hussein, you are not there. No, yes, you are there.
Yes, sir.
I am unable to see your smiling face. Okay, pa, good. Some new faces are there. Along with Amar, who are there? Amar? Your friends? Okay, pa. Bye. Enjoy the weekend. All these 4 days.
Thank you, sir.
We'll meet after that one.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, bye.
Yes, sir.
Bye.
Sir. Thank you.
Bye.
வேண்டாம் விட்டு போட வேண்டாம்
Bye.